Unreal, dude.
Extra Christmas present. And then they can do it for you as well. Go to snwkitchens.com, set up that free consultation, and let them know I'm Kelly from the Doves.
Tuner and turntable test pass cassette player. It's not repairable.